Hey folks, thanks for tuning back in here on my suburban garage build. It's pretty early in the morning. Just kind of wanted to do one last shot of my garage before we get our cabinets. We got our cabinets coming in today, and some new age Bowl 3.0 cabinets. I think they're about 22 to 24 feet long. I'm kind of losing train of thought here. But just kind of want to highlight some things we've done over the last, 2 or 3 weeks since we've moved in. And I don't know why I got my light on here, but and go over some things we got over the last few days. So, of course, I put my lift in, and it seems to be doing really, really well. Got my vacuum cleaner here. I wanted to do a central vac, but that's as close as I'm gonna get. And got our banners up here. Yesterday I got most of my other picture banners that I had ordered. The wife said I shouldn't put them up yet because I don't know where I'm gonna want them with the with the cabinets coming in. But for now, I went ahead and just threw some up. They're not gonna stay where they're at, but got one there. You see, I got them taped up for now. Got one just sitting back here, ready to be placed somewhere. Got one there, and then of course I got one here. I'm thinking that one's gonna go right here in that little triangle. I've installed my lights, my LEDs, 4 of them, which is a vast improvement over how my garage did look. Go back and look at some of my other videos, and you'll be able to tell the difference. Of course, I got my jack lift garage door opener installed. LiftMaster. Love it. It's I have one issue with it. Well, hopefully it's not a major issue, but we'll see long term if it's gonna be. Let me go around here. It's and all the videos I've looked at with it, well, I'll say all of them, the few of them that I have, it's come with 2 brackets, one down here at the bottom and one about almost up at the shaft. And this one came with 1, so I installed 1. But let me see if I can zoom in here. If you notice these bolts on the shaft there, you got 2 that stick it up higher. 2 that stick it up higher than the other 2. Well, the other 2 were about even with those 2, and the lift slid off the shaft. So we're just way to the right. It didn't take much, maybe an inch or so, and so it caused the shaft just to spin when I was trying to put the garage door up. And so of course I put it back on, and all I had to do was move it back over, and I bolted those bolts way super tight, or I'll say super tight, bolted them pretty tight. And problem with that, I'm sure I bent the shaft, I bent the bar underneath the bolts, which I'm thinking it's probably not that big of a deal as long as I don't have to put some type of, something else on that shaft. So that's the only issue I've had with that. And still got my clutter over here, or some of my clutter over here I'm having to deal with. I've got some of it up and put it in other places, but well, I would say 90% of this clutter is going to be gone after this weekend once I install everything. So stay tuned, and we'll see how this turns out. But I should be getting them today. I got to work today, so I won't be here when they come. And but I should be able to install them this weekend if all goes well. So stay tuned.